Okay guys, I'm about to update my navigation for my 2016 Lexus ES 350. So I wanted to go ahead and record this and show you guys that process. So you have to pop up the cover in the dash here. There's the SD card pops out here. It's really small, so you gotta be careful. So I'm trying to pop it out now. It's kind of a pain. I don't really have anything. There we go. Okay, so you pop the old one out. This is an old 5-6-year-old SD card for the navigation system. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my case here so I don't lose it. Might just make a copy for safekeeping of the newer maps system. So here's the new one. Take the new one out. Put the old one in the case for safekeeping. So you get the old one in there. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the new one in, and then we'll start the car, and then we'll take a look at the display and see what it tells us to do. It's very bright today and I can't see all that well for the sunlight here. Okay, so we finally got it snapped in there. I'm gonna go ahead and close up the cover here. The cover's nice and close there. Okay, so we'll go up here to the display and we're gonna power the car on. It says new software found, update, please keep the media inserted. So we'll click OK. And so it's copying now. back as soon as it finishes here. Okay, so it said to turn the engine off and then turn it back on to complete the update. Updating the software. Okay, so it looks like it's rebooting. Okay, so we have so we go to nav. Actually, setup. Navigation. Detailed navi settings. I don't think it's in there. Okay, so after poking around for a bit, I did find out what I needed to do on here. What I would do is go to the map itself, go to options, and then go to map data, and then update map. But it does say that it already did the map by it. It already updated it by itself. As you can see, the date 6/1/2020 is the latest map data that Lexus currently offers as of February 22nd, 2021. Now they usually release them June of every year. They release the map updates, but they don't actually, or they update the maps, but they don't actually release it for purchase. It releases in December, so they're actually 6 months behind. Whenever you come to pick it up, that's the earliest you can get your maps updated. But anyway, it's better than nothing. The one that I had previously was the original was from back in 2015, so it's quite an update, and hopefully it includes a lot of the locations that were coming up blank when I was driving around at times. Anyway, that's about it, and thanks for watching. And that's how you would update your maps on a Lexus. Pretty simple. Alright, talk to you later.